of Shantae Plans, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be filming a plan with me for the week of December 24th through the 30th, and I'm using a kit from Sweet Tea Plans. If you haven't shopped from Sweet Tea Plans before, I highly recommend you check out her shop on Fridays. I think she was having a sale at the time that I purchased this kit, but one of the things that she does pretty frequently is her Aloha Fridays, where you can get a full-sized kit with just like 8 pages for $10. So it's a really amazing deal. And I'm not much of a full kit type of person, but because of the deal, I usually end up getting full kits from her shop when normally I'm much more of a mini kit or a la carte type shopper. But anyways, let's go ahead and go through the kit. These are the full boxes, which are so pretty. I was excited because I wanted something that was kind of traditional for Christmas, but I'm not much of a red person, so when I saw this kit, it had a lot of appeal for me. I really love the colors. On this page, we've got some really cute decos, your little thing, and a hydration tracker. And this page, we've got some half boxes. These look a bit bigger than quarter boxes. I guess that would be like a third box maybe. Some builder stickers, habit trackers, and some appointment labels. On this page, we've got bottom washi, and then we've got these two cut glitter strips in green and in gold. And so a couple of different options there, because I don't think all 3 of these would fit in the bottom washi space, but you could choose one or the other. And then another full box. On this page, we've got headers, cut washi, and then some label stickers. The full box heart checklist. On this page, we've got date covers, icons, and cut washi. And I love that she does the solid header washi and also does cut washi because I love having the printed cut washi option to use in my kits. On this page, we've got 2 different weekend banners, some circle stickers, page flag, functional kiss cut icons, appointment stickers, half boxes, heart checklist half boxes, weekly trackers, and heart checklist. And then this is an optional add-on, and you get the Fashion Girl, which I picked up. So I am very excited to use this kit. I've also got some foiled items that I pulled out that I think I'm going to work into the spread. Very excited to get started with this kit, and if you would like to see me plan with it, just keep watching. I'm starting by placing down the bottom washi, which has a plaid print on it, and I really like the print because it's bold without being too overpowering for the rest of the spread. And then I'm moving on to the date covers. The date dots that I'm using are by Sheep Blossom Prints, and the date covers came in the kit, and so those are kind of like my foundation pieces. I always put down my bottom washi, date covers, and then move on to my sidebar before I start planning day by day, and that really helps give me a foundation of knowing what my spread is going to look like and how and the direction that I want to go in with how I plan. In the sidebar, I'm going to use whiteout to cover up the year and the word notes because they were in purple, and I thought they were a little bit bold and would probably show through the full box. And the full box I'm using has a really pretty image on it. I usually use either a strong image or a quote box in my sidebar. Then I'm using a silver foil header from Rose Colored Days and a label sticker from the kit, placing down the weekly tracker, and then following with another silver foil header, another label, and a full box checklist from the kit. And in that area, I'm going to track my Instagram posts. In the weekly tracker, I'll be tracking my dinners. To finish off the sidebar, I'm using some of the cut washi from the kit, and I thought that print was cute to finish out the sidebar. Then I'm adding some deco, and my script words are from Fancy Sticker Prints, and I just am putting down the dinner and Instagram stickers. And moving on to Monday, I'm going to put down Christmas Eve down at the bottom, and I'm using a third box from the kit, some of the deco, and the script is from Art Box Stickers. At the top, I'm putting down another label sticker, and the day off sticker is from Rose Colored Days. And then I move on to putting down my full boxes, and I'm just scattering them throughout the page. I kind of like having my full boxes staggered because I think it adds a lot of interest to the page. And then I am placing down silver foil headers on top of some of the full boxes, the double box on Friday and Saturday, and then on Tuesday. Then I wanted to white out the purple header underneath the full box on Tuesday because it was showing through. And then I am placing down some of the cut washi from the kit. I want to mark Christmas Day, and it took me a while to figure out exactly how I wanted to do this, and I changed my mind. So the word Merry Christmas is from Art Box Stickers, and then I have a gift from Rose Color Days, and I didn't like the gift there, so I lifted that up and then realized I didn't need as much of that cut washi, so I removed one of the strips, and then I'm just moving that up higher on the page, putting back down the glitter washi with the words Merry Christmas over top and a bow sticker from Rose Color Days. Then I'm marking that we had Christmas brunch and then hosted Christmas dinner at our house on a half box down at the bottom. By the way, that coffee cup at the top is from a sampler that came with my Sweet Tea Plans order. The bow stickers from Art Box Stickers and the foiled cutlery is from Rose Color Days. And that's all going to change in a minute anyways. I used the YouTube marquee on Monday because I knew I wanted to do a lot of filming that day. That I'm putting down some cut washi and marking that I wanted to wrap gifts. And that wrap gift sticker is so cute. I can't remember who that's from. I'm putting down a calculator sticker from Nicole Hutch Designs to mark reviewing my weekly budget, and then I put down another third box. Moving on to Wednesday, I put down a header at the top and then hung one of the little deco stockings and put down the Instagram script so I could mark my midweek post. Underneath that, I used a half box to mark some things I needed to get done for work and things I wanted to focus on. Thursdays are always my planning day, so I'm taking a flat lay sticker from Taylor and Tucker and placing that at the bottom of Thursday. Then on Friday, I'm putting down a header and a half box, and I'm actually going to swap out that header for a green one, so I wanted to bring in more green, using some deco from the kit and a foiled computer sticker from Chic Blossom Prints. I'm focusing on getting ready for month end at my job, which is really busy, and then I'm marking that we usually celebrate birthdays on Fridays, and on Saturday, I'm putting down some cut washi to mark sleeping in. This is my favorite thing to do on a Saturday. Putting down a red quarter box to mark payday, and then paying bills. And I'm going to change both of those two stickers actually. And then on Sunday, I put it down a foil header, and then the script for church is from Letters to Apollo. Back on Thursday, I'm using a label sticker and a bow from Sweet Tea Plans to mark that I'm moving into my Erin Condren planner. And then on my sidebar, I'm filling in the post that I want to do for Instagram for the week. Okay, so I wanted to pop in here really quickly because I made a couple of changes to my layout off camera. I added in a few pops of red on the page, and as I was looking back at it, I was really hating the red. I felt like it would work because it's Christmas colors, but this kit is so black, gray, brown, and green. The little bit of red was really throwing things off for me. So I decided to swap out the red bow for a green one. The red TV, this is now a sticker bloom TV in gray. The scallop quarter box is from White Deer Stationery, and I completely removed the pay the bills because I'm going to totally change that. All right. Let's get back to the plan with me. There was a blanket that came in the deco in the kit, so I'm layering that on top of the third box that's on Monday, and also adding a laundry basket from Rose Color Days, and I'm going to use that box to mark that I'm washing towels and blankets. Then I am putting down a header on Saturday and layering on top of that an appointment sticker from Rose Color Days, and I'm just marking down a doctor's appointment that I have to go to on Saturday morning. Using a $ icon from the kit along with a pay bills script sticker from Nicole Hutch Designs, I'm going to mark down paying bills. This is one of the items that I changed because I'd originally had this marked down in red, and I was really preferring the more subtle neutral colors that came in this kit. And so now that I've got that marked down, I'm going to place another third box right underneath that on Saturday, and then go back to Wednesday. I'm using a label sticker and a heart icon from the kit, and I'm going to layer those down, and I'm just marking that I wanted to visit my grandmother after work and spend some time with her. She was home for Christmas and going to be flying out on Thursday, and so I wanted to make sure I got a chance to spend time with her before she left. Going back to Friday, I'm removing that birthday celebration and marking down that we were actually going to have a New Year's Eve pizza party at work. And so I wanted to make sure that I marked that down instead. And I'm using a label sticker and some silver foiled balloons from Rose Colored Days. This is from her happy birthday sheet. And I love those balloon stickers and really want some more, like a full sheet of balloon stickers just in a variety of colors. I needed to pick up some household essentials, so I'm marking go to Big Lots on Friday after work. That way I can pick up some household items, and then I'm using a money stack from Rose Colored Days in silver foil right next to that. I wanted to add some more green to Friday, so I'm taking the green glitter washi that came with the kit, and I'm putting that at the bottom of the page because I love the bold pop of green that glitter washi adds. And then from GP Sticker Studio, I'm taking one of her character girls, and this is actually the girl for her sick day, but she's all snuggled up in a blanket, and I thought this would be really cute because it would probably very accurately describe my mood for Friday after work, just being tired and just wanting to relax and do nothing that evening. And so I'm putting down that character sticker and then layering the word relax from Paper Focus in silver foil right next to it. And there were some things that got planned on Thursday that I didn't get a chance to put on camera. There's a half box checklist where I marked down some errands, the circle box where I put down some things I needed to do for work, and also marked my grandmother flying back to Texas. So moving on to the weekend, on Saturday, I put down a YouTube play button, and that's from Chic Blossom Prince. Because I'm on Christmas break right now from school, I wanted to spend as much time focusing on working on my YouTube channel as I can. So you'll see me marking down YouTube a lot in the next couple of weeks in my Plan With Me's. Then on Sunday after church, I put down a cut washi strip and a Sunday brunch sticker from QT Planner Co. Because I wanted to mark brunch after church. And then once I got home, I needed to do some laundry. The laundry basket is from the kit, and the word laundry is from a Rose Colored Days Nikki Plans sampler. And then I put down a plaid half box. I really love that plaid and wanted to bring some more into the page with some deco and a grocery shopping basket because I want to go to the store and pick up some snacks to have in the house for New Year's Day when I will be at home off of work and just relaxing all day. So I wanted to make sure I had some snacks in the house. And underneath that, I'm just, again, marking some things that I wanted to do for YouTube because I've got some filming and recording and editing that I need to get done. Down at the bottom of Sunday, I'm just putting down a washi strip to finish the page, layering that with a silver foil header and adding a bow from a Samantha May Sticks sampler.